Assalamu alaikum. So I'm gonna give you a presentation of our project, which is called 323 OS, which is a part of the course CAC 323 operating system design. So it's a small educational operating system which is built to demonstrate the core ideas behind how a kernel works. So the goal is not to be feature heavy, but to show a clean minimal stack that boots, handles hardware events, and provides basic user interaction. So in this demo, I will focus on what you can observe live, which is the boot handoff, the interrupt-driven behavior, and a few essential driver that makes the system usable. So let me start it. So as you can see, this is the bootloader, which is GRUB. Let me go to the 323 OS and see. So the boot process has initialized and the system loads our kernel and hands it the control. So as soon as this UI appears, this kernel is running and managing the screen. So notice the live clock and the responsive input. This is powered by the interrupts. So let me log in and let me give the password. So this is 1234 by default. So as you can see, this is the OS. So the interrupt updates the timer in real time. So the system is event driven, not just polling. So let me type the command help. As you can see, this is all the available commands from this OS. So this is system. So this shows top to see the system monitor, who am I to show current user, sysinfo, uptime, time since boot, and the time. So for more commands, so this is the commands to manipulate the file system: copy, move, remove, tree, touch, directory files, and everything. So for this is the admin side. So as you can see, you can change the current user passwords. You can also add a new user. You can also see the users list and the logs and the format. So format is used to format the disk. And this is the available commands like calculator, theme, history, clear, help, logout, and shutdown. So let me clear the screen and let me give you an example of like top. So as you can see, this is a system monitor and the disk users. And also for showing the file system, as you can see, this is the file users.db and there is a directory called test. So let me go to the directory test. Oh, so let me tell you one thing. This all the commands here are from Linux. So it's compatible with Linux command actually. I have kept that in mind. So as you can see, we are currently in the test directory. So it's currently empty. So let me create a file which is called test. So uh, so let me create a file touch test.txt. So file created. So if I want to edit it, I just type edit test.txt. And so this is the editor. Let me tell you hello visitor and press Ctrl+S to save. And to see that file, let me go and type the cat test.txt. So as you can see, it provides you hello visitor. And something more. Oh, we can also see the logs like logs. If I say logs, so it is the system's logs. So first it initializes the log, and after the kernel boots and the interrupts enabled, RAM disk initialize and ATA disk driver. So we have created a disk driver for it, and this is the current, which is file written to disk, which we done just a moment before. Also, let me give you some more features like theme. So if I press theme, so you can see there are 4 themes: matrix, cyber, retro, default. So if I press theme matrix, as you can see, it's currently the matrix theme. Sorry, it's the default one. if I press cyber, you can see it's currently cyber. There are many things to explore, like if I press help, you can also see who am I, and also you can change password, format the disk, and anything actually. So let me press clear and shut down the system. So thank you so much